Welcome to Ninja Monkey! Welcome to Ninja Monkey! Welcome to Ninja Monkey! Today I am going to be making a gingerbread village. So I bought this from Morrison's, which is like a major supermarket here in Gibraltar and in the United Kingdom, and there were two versions of it. There was a gingerbread house and a gingerbread village, which is the one that I've got here. Okay, so straight up, there is a tray. Bring it forward. It's actually everything seems to be very self-contained, including the frosting, which is white frosting, which is pre-mixed, and the instructions said to massage it for like 30 seconds, which is what I'm doing now. Massaging it. And also inside of the kit we have some little bits to decorate, candy and some different kind of candy, which looks pretty cool, and some little balls, which I'm sure we'll be able to use. And also, very neatly packaged, we have the gingerbread, which is gonna make the gingerbread house. And it's all like in a plastic film with a cardboard in the back. Okay, so this is the part that I'm a bit nervous about. Apparently, I need to break each gingerbread like cutout thing. There are some edges that I need to snap, and this is where things could go terribly wrong. First one. I'm scared. I'm really scared. Damn it! Slightly broken. I'll fix that later. So this one has to work, or else the whole thing goes down the drain. Okay. The second one, I'm gonna snap. Damn it! It smells so good that it's really tempting to like eat, but I'm not gonna. Like that. This sticks with that, like that. Not easy. Especially when the glue tastes good and you want to eat it all. Ooh. We can see the little sort of the door and stuff. That's what I built so far. And oh my god, it's taken me 15 minutes. 15 minutes to make one tiny thing, for goodness sake. It's ridiculous. Come on, let's speed things up. Next one. That one looks a little bit easier. That, or maybe it doesn't look as easy. And that. And then this goes here. This goes here. And that goes on the other side. Okay, I've got the idea. I've got the idea, yes! Alright, now I'm getting excited. I'm dropping things and stuff. I'm getting excited. So, a bit of icing on this one. Let's speed things up a little bit. We need this to go like that. It starts to hold its own weight, which is quite cool. We should be able to sort of put together like that, hopefully. Oh my god. Well, it's good enough. It's not perfect. And then this one And there we go. Stay. Like that. To this. Can somebody count how many times I lick my finger? It'd be quite funny. Alright, second part of the village is complete. Not bad. I'm speeding up. I'm speeding up. Wow! Stay. Don't fall. Don't break. Stay together. Stay together. Stay together. There. And now this is the roof. So, oh my god, my original plan was crazy. I was gonna make this crazy gingerbread thingy with lights inside, and you know, I'm definitely not a DIY channel. Okay, so I guess there's only one thing left to do, and that is decorate the whole thing, and hopefully it won't break apart. Let's get some inspiration from the box. I see, quite clever. I think that what I need to do is just pipe the outline of all those squiggly lines. Did you have that? And I'm gonna do like the outlines of the windows. My god, this is so much work. I was not expecting this to be so much work. Damn it. That window came out terrible. I'll tell you something, if I was ever gonna make like my own gingerbread house from scratch, I think I will buy a kit just for this, because it's pretty darn good. Ooh. And this is where that Swedish snow sugar thingy that Therese used to make the snowballs would come in handy for some fake snow effects, but I don't have any, so what do you think? It looks like a horror house. It's starting to come together, it's starting to come together. Let's see if I can move this one to the other side. So, my fingers are really sticky, but it's time to decorate with the little candy bits. Let's do a taste test. Actually, no. It's peach flavor. Ugh. I don't like synthetic peach flavored stuff. One there. One there. One there. What a mess. Some of these in between. Oh, damn it. I didn't know making a gingerbread house was going to be so tiring. Oh my god, the mess. I just don't want to clean up, seriously. And now we have these. I wanted to do something easy for Vlogmas. I thought, yeah, I'll buy a gingerbread kit and I can do that. It'll be fun. I mean, I don't know. It's kind of like a chore. I don't have to use everything, do I? Let's see. Yeah. We have this one over here. Stay. And I think I'm done. So as you can see, I kind of had fun but didn't have fun at the same time making this gingerbread village. But anyway, if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, leave a comment below. I really love reading what you have to say. Hit that ding dong notification button to keep up to date, and if you're new, please subscribe. So see you at the next video. Happy Vlogmas!